Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to this week's video, and this week is going to be about WordPress and a little bit about the back-end storage of how it stores into a database and what really happens there. So first off, whenever you start the WordPress, like you create your WordPress site, it automatically makes your 12 tables and inserts them into MySQL. And so then from the admin page of your CMS, it goes directly from here to your storage like database. So for example, my pros and cons, it's stored in here somewhere, pros and cons. And this even keeps like stuff you deleted. Like it starts with your hello world post title and the status is trash, so like it keeps all that stuff in here, so you can go back and look at all that if something would happen, unless they directly delete straight from here, which I don't think would change anything for my site. But that's kind of sort of a way just to look back at what is happening to your site in the back end anyway. And there's a plugin called something query. I forget what it was called. I don't know. But it just shows you your queries that it does just to load your page up, and how, like, what it selects. It selects from your posts and it goes through here. I tried to get it to show other things. Like I tried deleting from here, like I edited my page and I tried deleting from there, but it wouldn't show up from my query plugin. So it shows, like, whenever you click on a new page, it loads that what query is going to get here, like introduction, like this is my main query, and so it shows that, but I couldn't get it to show exactly what was happening for some reason. I don't know if I did something wrong or not. But another thing that I think is cool that it shows on the back end is that it even has things like your background colors, for example, your template that you're using, like for your actual page, your theme. Like if I change my color, it goes into my database. Let's change that. That should change the Lab 7. Yeah, okay. So it even changes that in here. Then it'll change something down here, and the backend even stores stuff like under your options. It has all of your, like, the titles, my password, username, mail server, URL. It even has my user, which is here, my admin user, which I think is really cool to see. And what else do I need to talk about this week? My CRUD operators. There's my select. I really am stuck as to how to get it to show anything else. Sometimes I can get it to show. I think if I search something random, it shows me. I can't even get it to happen now. I couldn't get that to work, but that's the basics of what's happening. It just is pulling from your database just to show your website. So if you want to see my website, I'll have it in the link in the description. But that's basically all I had to talk about this week. Let me just check real quick, see if yeah, okay. So that's basically what happens. It's just in your CMS, your admin dashboard thing, whenever you create something new, it makes a new page in your database tables that gets pulled through the select SQL commands onto your page, and then just shows what is there. So that's the basics of how this is working, and I hope you all enjoy the video, and I will see you next week.